If in a text file we want to add data line by line, the point from where we want to break and add new line, before that we will add a special character \n. It will add your data in text file line by line. We will see the output. It has added all our data line by line. This is the method of writing data, how to write data in a text file. You must know its access mode, must have its handler, and with the name of function you will write the string as it is in the file. Secondly, if you have to append in a file, which means your file is created and you want to add more data in that file, the file which is created before, from the end it will write up the string, means the data which is written previously, it will append that. If I see my text file, after closing it, it has started writing new data from the end and added more. This was the method of append. If we want to read the data, first we have to change the mode. After changing the mode, the function we have, that is called handler.read, means we are reading this file. After reading, we will store in a string, and when we print out that string, our whole data after being read will be displayed on the screen. If I want to check the length to check how many characters we have in a file, when I am going to run the function of length, it has given 340, means I have 340 alphabets in file. We can perform many other functionalities, but the main are how to read, write, and append a file. This was reading, writing, and appending of files in Python.